Whenever you need an AI tool like an image enlarger, generate.net should be your preferred choice. And the reason why is because with the same credits that you get for this platform, you can then use them for other types of apps as well. Meaning, let's say you needed a few images enlarged, and then a few of them background removed, and a few of them, different kinds of things which you can find up in this menu. All you need to do is sign up for an account. You get 20 free credits. With them, you can upload an image to enlarge it here, select how big you need it, all the way from 2x to 10x. Then you can instantly get an image which is larger. And the larger it is, the more credit it costs to use this app. Now, the amazing thing is if you have any credits left over, you can feel free to look at the other imaging apps, which you can then use as well. We also have text apps and audio apps like text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and just many just apps, including a music generator, a sound effects generator, and just many different types of apps which you can feel free to use with the same credits. So before you jump on the first image enlarger you find in Google, make sure you try Generate one, because with the same credits you can then do and use it for other apps. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.